Guys, welcome back to another video. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And yeah! So, if you hear that noise in the background, our neighbors are having their mow lawn, or, yeah, I don't know what to call it. They're just getting their grass trimmed, giving their grass a haircut, as I say it. And, so, today, I was wondering, in my free times, or after school, or after the learning, I was sat right here in the couch, not on my couch, but my family's couch, and I was like, it's kind of unfair that my dog, Rodney, can't sit on there. So I decided to make his own couch. So, yeah, here is the footage of me making him a couch. And you can do this with your dogs. Don't worry, I haven't put a trademark on this. So if there's any YouTubers watching this, you can do this to your dog or something. So yeah, here's the footage. So I'm gonna build it like right here. It's not gonna be this high. It's gonna be pretty small. In fact, I might have to move the camera down to here so you can see what I'm building. So I'm gonna build it right here, and I'm gonna quickly go get all the materials I need. So I'm gonna quickly go get them, and yeah, back with materials. So I was thinking it can go right here. Oh, don't think I need that. Put it there. That gun goes there. Just for, yeah, that's gonna go right there. Blue pillow. That goes there, and then that can go right there. Then add this thing. This. And add the pillows. Now, let's go get Rodney. Rodney! Come on, let's go get some Rodney. He's very tired. You want to say something, Rodney? Yeah, that is very true. You want to come see? Come on, Roger, come here. Yeah, he's too tired. So we're gonna go over to his bed. I'm gonna grab this. Come on. Yeah, he's too tired. So there's only one more thing for that. Intense walking. Intense climbing. Milk bowl. I'm gonna break one in half because there's a little bit left. Here. Give him this. Sorry, I accidentally pressed pause. So there he is, he's dead. Excited? Let's lead him to his new bed. Sit. There you go. Let's see what he thinks about it. You're a little sniff. Don't have any more rudders. Yes, that is very important as well. And you said that last time. What is it? I don't have any. He thinks I have it. He thinks I have it. Thinks I hid some in here. Come here. Sit. Lie down. Rodney, lie down. Lie down. Oh yeah, I just caught him a trick. High five. There we go. Don't have anything though. Lie down. Rodney, lie down. No. Well, he likes to sit in it. So Rodney, what do you think about it? Yeah? You just want a treat? Okay. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of, what is it? going to be the end of the video. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And yeah, you want anything to say, Rodney? So I'm speaking loud after because the grass is getting a haircut. You have anything to say, Rodders? That's his nickname. Yeah? Great, okay. So, see you guys.